A judge is weighing the evidence in a case of alleged voter fraud. An Orange County woman is one of 24 people arrested last year by the governor's new election police.
WESH 2's news investigator Greg Fox explains why the state could have a tough time landing convictions.
Michelle Stribling used a walker to navigate to the defense table, where she hoped a judge would dismiss the 2 felony charges that she fraudulently voted in the 2020 election.
When an individual registers to vote, as well as the actual casting of the ballot.
Voting records obtained and first reported by WESH 2 Investigates last August reveal she did vote by absentee ballot. She's ineligible since her 1993 conviction for second-degree murder. But she says she served her time and believed under a 2018 amendment that restored most felon voting rights, she was legally able to register and vote. But those convicted of murder and felony sex crimes are excluded. Her attorney doesn't dispute that. Instead, he argued the state has no authority to bring the case because the crime occurred only in one county.
If they're going on that one date or having filled out the application is the commission of the crime that all occurred in Orange County, Florida, and that should be dismissed.
But the prosecutor argued registering and voting affected multiple counties because the forms and ballots are processed locally and recorded in Tallahassee.
It is a statewide election. There is necessarily effect that is taking place by virtue of those elections and single vote cast in that election.
The judge declined to rule immediately, and Stribling declined to speak with us. Her attorney is worried the governor's new Office of Election Crimes and Security will continue to arrest people who appear to have shown no willful intent to break the law.
The legislature allocated $3 million for the Office of Election Crimes. So sadly, they may feel like with that kind of allocation, they've got to do something.
Because of some new arguments that were brought up by the state, the defense has another week to provide evidence to the court. The judge could make a decision in the next couple of weeks. In Orange County, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.